Hello friends, welcome to the second video of the problems on simplification and approximations. So let's begin. We have our first question, 2347.18 plus 32.11 divided by 8 into 11.11 plus 138.87. We need to evaluate the whole expression and find the answer. Our options are A 260, B 26,000, C 2,600 and D 20,600. So let us start solving. Our first step is to approximate all the decimal numbers to their nearest integer. Hence, our equation becomes 2347 plus 32 divided by 8, the first three terms in bracket, into 11 plus 139. Next, apply BODMAS rule. We evaluate the expression in the brackets first. We have to perform an addition and division. It needs to be taken care that the division needs to be done first, followed by addition. Dividing 32 by 8 and adding the answer to 2347, our equation reduces to 2351 into 11 plus 139. So here we have completed the evaluation of all the terms in the brackets. Now carrying out the usual multiplication followed by addition, we get 2351 into 11 to be 25861, and now that needs to be added to 139. So finally we get the answer as 26,000. Now checking for 26,000 among the options, we find that option B matches with our solution. Hence the answer is option B. I hope the problem is clear. Now let us solve another problem. We have 18 squared plus 11 cubed plus 23 squared is equal to 0.52 into question mark plus 1936. Our options are 486, 469, 494 and 496. So let us begin the solution. So our first step is to approximate all the decimal numbers to their nearest integer. Hence, our equation becomes 18 squared plus 11 cubed plus 23 squared is equal to 0.5 into question mark plus 1936. Now if you remember, I had asked in my concept video to by heart all the squares and the cubes of the first 20 numbers. If you know it by heart, you'll be able to save time spent to calculate the squares and the cubes separately. Thus, after writing the squares and cubes, the equation becomes 18 square, which is equal to 324, plus 11 cube, that is 1331, plus 23 square, which is 529, is equal to 0.5 into question mark plus 1936. We add the LHS using the method mentioned in the earlier problems by grouping the digits and adding separately, and finally taking the sum of the individual answers. I have shown the steps, please have a look into it. We see that the final answer that we get is 2184. Now let's get back to our problem. After the evaluation of the LHS, our new equation is 2184 is equal to 0.5 into question mark plus 1936. So in the next step, we take 1936 to the left hand side of the equation and carry out the subtraction. Subtracting 1936 from 2184 gives us 248. So our final equation is 248 is equal to 0.5 into question mark. Evaluating the question mark, we get the answer to be 496. Now going back to the options to check, we see that the correct answer is option D, which is equal to 496. I hope you have enjoyed the problems solved in this video. If at all you have any doubts related to these two problems, please comment below. I would be pleased to help. For more problems, refer to my next video. If you found my video useful and interesting, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.